Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the system, turn off and lock out power at the breaker, then drain the tank until it reads 0 psi. This prevents stored energy. Once done, vent remaining pressure and close the drain valve. Next, inspect and photograph electrical connections and motor orientation so you can restore them correctly. Make sure to note any conduit, capacitor, and ground locations. Now remove the belt guard and loosen the belts. You're ready to unbolt the old motor safely and efficiently. You now support the motor to avoid dropping it, then unbolt the mount and carefully disconnect the conduit and wiring harness. Once free, take out the start/run capacitor and write down its microfarad rating and polarity. You will reuse or replace it with the same specs. Inspect the shaft, pulley, keys, and bearings for where these affect alignment and belt life. If bearings are rough or the pulley is damaged, replace those parts before fitting the new motor to prevent premature failure. You mount the new motor, torque the bolts to the manufacturer's spec, and align the pulleys so belts track straight. Good alignment saves belts and bearings. Then reconnect wiring exactly as in your photos, reattach the correct capacitor, and secure conduit fittings to prevent moisture. Once wired, restore power and pressurize the tank slowly while observing for leaks. Run the compressor, listen for unusual vibration, and measure running amps and system pressure. If something's off, shut down immediately and follow the troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.